Hi there, and welcome to Vanguard's PE department. I'm health and physical education teacher, Miss Swinney.
And I'm another health and PE teacher here, Mr. Peel.
Here's a fun way to get you and your family moving in the new year. It's called Roll in the New Year Fitness Challenge.
So this is how you burn off all those holiday cookies and those New Year treats?
Exercise is a great way to burn calories.
All you need to do this challenge is 2 dice. They could be big dice like we have here at the Vanguard School, or they could be regular dice that you have at home, and a list of the exercises that we will provide to you underneath the video.
So then you just roll the 2 dice, add up what you got, and we'll see what exercise we'll be starting with.
Me?
Sure. Let's demonstrate.
Okay.
This is how you are the one that wants to burn off all those calories, correct?
You're right, Swinney. You're right. All right, so we're gonna roll both, see what number we get.
All right, 4 and 4. We got 8. Number 8 is lunges. It says 20 lunges, but for the sake of our viewers, we're not going to do all of them. Mr. Peel is going to share how to do a lunge.
All right, so to do a lunge, we start with our feet next to each other and we take a step forward, bend our knee, so our back leg, our back knee touches the ground, and then we step back. We can do it on the other side. So we can start, and if you would like to modify this, you can take smaller steps and not go as deep.
Perfect. We're not going to roll through all of them, but what is a mountain climber, Mr. Peel?
Okay, so if you guys want to know how to do a mountain climber, we get in push-up position, and then we bring our knees up to our chest, and we try to go as fast as we can. So this would be a mountain climber.
Perfect. What's a shoulder plank touch?
If we did a shoulder plank touch, we'd stay in the same position, but rather than moving our knees and our legs, we just move our arms to have our hand touch our shoulder. A modification to make this one a little bit easier is drop your knees and still do that same thing, keeping our core tight and active.
Awesome. So the challenge part is to try to do this every single day for the month of January. You want to mark off your calendar and see if you can accomplish all of these different challenges.
You could just start with a few of these exercises, but the goal is to try to get up to 10 exercises a day. If we do this challenge, we hope you guys do it with your kids and the students here at the Vanguard School. Exercising as a group can be so much fun, and it really can be beneficial for the whole family.
Thanks for watching. Let's stay active and healthy in the new year.